G'day, Glenn Morris here from the Smart Energy Lab. Today I want to tell you about our experience installing the amazing GoodWe ESA all-in-one system. This is the 10 kilowatt single phase. One of the things that got me excited about this was the fact that it's a stackable assembly. It's really easy to install. So as you can see, we just basically put one battery unit on top of another. And that's one of the other features I like about this unit is it's got options. You've got a 5 kilowatt hour or an 8 kilowatt hour battery module, and you can go from 1 up to 6 of these modules. So 6 8s, wow, that's a lot of power. 48 kilowatt hours of capacity with 10 kilowatts of AC power. And it can also do an amazing 63 amps of pass-through. Now, if you're not familiar with this term, what that means is that this unit can power the whole house, whole home backup. 63 amps single phase is really what most homes have as their supply. And so this unit can pass that through to the loads. It can support the loads using its own solar and battery. And by the way, this unit has 4 MPPTs, so you can put a lot of solar onto this. Something like 200% oversizing. So a 10 kilowatt inverter with 20 kilowatts of solar is really the sweet number. With that full stack of 48 kilowatt hours of batteries, you're home and hosed for the longest blackout you could imagine. So fast installation was one of the really attractive things about this product. The ease of connecting it up, the fact that on the right-hand side here, we've got all the connections, the MPPT, the comms. We've also got the AC in and the AC out for backup. And they've very nicely put those connectors on a 45-degree angle so you can get your cables out quite easily out through the back. So this whole unit looks like it's just floating here. There's not a lot of cables surrounding it. In fact, you can't see any. It uses a high voltage battery system. These are LiFePO or lithium ferrophosphate cells, commonly referred to as the safe lithium. That's a really nice feature to have built in. Now it's expandable, so I said you could actually start with just 1 or 2 of these battery modules and go up to 6. You can even parallel multiple stacks together to build a really, really big system. Now this is the single phase unit. They also now come in 3-phase, which is really exciting for those homes that have 3-phase power. The backup functionality is super fast, 4 milliseconds. You won't even notice it. The lights won't flick. Most electronics devices have enough short-term storage, you won't even have a reboot on your computer. So really, really good. It can charge very fast. It can charge at what's known as 1C. 1C means at its capacity rating. So these are 5 kilowatt hour battery modules. You can charge them at 5 kilowatts and discharge them at 5. Well, actually, these are 8s. So 8 charge and 8 discharge. That's pretty impressive. That means you can do some pretty rapid cycling of power if you need to. So for instance, you need to charge your car quickly and you want to recharge quickly as well. They've got a lot of safety features built in. They've got this multi-layer battery protection, so monitoring all of the cell's temperatures, operating conditions, but they also have arc fault circuit interrupter for interruption of any arcs within a system. So that means there's a kind of early warning sign. It can shut the system down if there is a problem. It's really quiet. It's on right now and it's charging right now, and you probably can't hear a thing. That's right, it is very quiet. Monitoring's great through the app, and it's got both Wi-Fi and LAN connectivity if you like to have a wired system as opposed to Wi-Fi. It can grow, so like I said, you can add more battery modules, but more units as well, so for really the big systems. So really, this unit is a complete residential solar storage platform. I'm just loving it. So thanks, GoodWe, for sending us the unit to the Smart Energy Lab. You'll see more of this. Check it.